Are you struggling with blending, stubborn streaks, lack of vibrancy, or realism in your watercolor pencil paintings? You're not alone. But the problem is that there's not much out there to help us fix those issues. So we've been left to figure it all out on our own since watercolor pencils first appeared. And my pencils were collecting dust, so I ended up teaching myself how to use them. After years of experimenting and sharing my process on YouTube, I've created what I believe currently is the most comprehensive watercolor pencil course for beginners and intermediates. This course covers the best supplies and techniques, some you won't find anywhere else right now. You'll learn essential skills like coloring, blending, fixing stubborn streaks, and creating smooth, realistic backgrounds. Then we'll put it all together with inspiring projects that will build your confidence to paint anything you want. You'll be able to work at your own pace with real-time demonstrations and my voice guiding you every step of the way. And these are not just tutorials because you'll learn to make creative decisions from start to finish, watch my mistakes and see how I fix them in real time. We'll also use various supplies and techniques with each painting so that you can later decide what works best for you. And you'll get 2 amazing bonuses. First, a module on popular water-soluble pencils like Derwent Intense, Derwent Graphitint, and water-soluble graphite. And you'll also access mini coaching videos to help you solve common problems. With over 25 projects, you'll get sketches, reference photos, color equivalents in both Faber-Castell Arbustor and Derwent Intense, and my personal feedback. This course will teach you everything you need to create vibrant and realistic watercolor pencil art with a loose touch. But hurry because there are only 10 early bird spots left before the price goes up. So if you're ready to level up, click the link below to get started.